Hello everyone, how are you? How do you feel yourself? How is your mood? How's your health? I hope you are good today. Okay, teacher Abdraym kızı Nurjamal. Grade 5, Unit 13, Lesson 3. The last lesson we learned some new words. And I wanted to revise with you these new words. Okay, what is it? Of course, it is a blender. It is a fridge. It is a mango. It is to peel. It is a smoothie. The next chop. Then it is a lid. It is a milk. Pour. And of course strawberry. Okay, let's repeat after me. Blender, a fridge, a mango, to peel, a smoothie, to chop, a lid, a milk, pour, a strawberry. Objectives of the lesson. Today we learn how to use relative pronoun in our sentence. The next object is to use relative pronouns in the context of a song. Our new theme is relative pronoun. Okay, what is a relative pronoun? Relative pronouns are relative pronouns joined to sentence together. Relative pronouns are who and which. Here given translating. Let's take some examples for this relative pronoun. The man who came in is my brother. Here you can say the relative pronoun. It is who. Here given translating. And the next sentence, she knows a man who works in this shop. Here given translating to. And can you find the relative pronoun from the second sentence? Of course, you know, yeah? Who, here, relative pronoun. And now let's see the rulers. When do we use who and how do we use who? Okay. Who is used when talking about people. We can use instead of who, of course, that. We use who only for people. Example, people who speak two languages are called bilingual. In this example, the relative who introduced the relative sentence. Speak two language that describes or gives more information about the noun people. The next relative pronoun is which. Which can be used as a subject or an object pronoun for animals and things. We use which only for things or animals. The dog which is barking at the stranger belongs to Mr. Smith. The book which you bought was interesting. Here, book, it is thing, and dog, the first sentence, dog, it is animal. Here, okay, that's why you can use the relative pronoun which. Here given translating which and who. You can write this translation of this who and which into your grammar copybook. Now you will listen this song, and of course while listening you will underline the sentence that with who and which. Are you ready? Okay, let's listen.
Listening 107. Listen and sing. This is the boy.
This is the boy who dropped the milk, dropped the milk, dropped the milk. This is the boy who dropped the milk on the floor. This is the cat which drank the milk, drank the milk, drank the milk. This is the cat which drank the milk from the floor. This is the dog which chased the cat, chased the cat, chased the cat. This is the dog which chased the cat out the door. And this is the dog which drank the milk, drank the milk, drank the milk. This is the dog which drank the milk from the floor.
Okay, from this song you can underline the sentence, this is the boy who dropped the milk. Okay, you can underline the relative pronoun who. Why do we use here who? Of course, boy. That's right, you can use here who. Okay, in the other sentence you will do yourself. Okay, now here given some examples with who and which. You will make up your sentence using who and which using this exercise. For example, in the first, boy make the smoothie, and you change this sentence using the relative pronoun. For example, this is the boy who made a smoothie. We use here who because of it's not animal, it's not things, it is people. Yeah, that's why for people we use who. The next sentence, mom buy bananas and milk. How can we use here? How can we make up these words using the relative pronoun? Of course, this is a mother who bought the bananas and milk. We use, of course, here who because who used for people. The next, this is a supermarket which sold the bananas. Of course, here we can use which because of it is just things. Yeah. The next, this is a ship which carried the bananas. Of course, you can use which because of ship it is things. Yeah. These are the bananas which grew on the trees. Of course, you can use here which. The last sentence, this is a farmer who looked after the trees. We put here who because of farmer because of farmer. We can use who for people. We use who for people and we use which for things and for animals. Now your homework. Workbook exercise 1. Read and circle who and which. Page 98. Workbook exercise 2. Write the sentence with who and which on page 98. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.